I forget the name of it, but they have this dish, almost like a national dish, I think, if I'm not mistaken. They eat it with rice, chilies and cheese mashed together, and it's.
Hello guys, today we are diving into the viral dish made famous by Deepika Padukone, Ema Datshi. It's a Bhutanese dish. Its meaning, Ema means chilli, Datshi means cheese. Let's get started. To begin, gather your ingredients: capsicum, tomato, onion, green chilli, garlic, butter, pepper powder, salt and cheese. Slicing capsicum, tomato and onion into pieces. Next, finally chop green chilli and garlic. In a pan, added the sliced vegetables along with a teaspoon of pepper powder and a glass of water. Season with salt to taste. To enhance the flavor, add a small piece of butter. Cook the mixture on medium heat for about 3 minutes. Then added 2 slices of cheeses to the pan and allow them to melt for about a minute. Once melted, your Ema Datshi is ready to be served. It's a delicious dish that I highly recommend trying. Enjoy and don't forget to like and comment. If you enjoyed this recipe, stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching.